ZANU-PF has launched a fresh wave of expulsions and suspension, a move analysts say signals growing panic and deepening internal strife within the ruling party. Sanapinda mashoko obudanyirwa panapa zvinzi vakomana in the ruling party panguva ino vari in a panic mode pamusoro pevanhu vari kuuya vachivaexposa vachifumura zvese zviri kuitiwa mu the ruling party ZANU-PF. Panapa takuona kuti vakususpenda pamwechete nemaexpulsions ari kuitiwa kune vanhu especially maloyalists agenerali. Ndobo subscribe or like on the bell kuti mutaziva ibudanyira chete. In a stunning pack, the political has expelled Gutu East Member of Parliament Benjamin Ganyiwa, citing allegations of attempting to unconstitutionally remove district chairpersons, factionalism, and holding unsanctioned meetings critical with the president. His removal paves the way for yet another by-election, raising questions about the party's stability ahead of crucial national elections. The crackdown did not stop there. Several other party members across various provinces have been axed for their alleged involvement in factionalism, misuse of social media, and acts deemed as disloyalty. Among the casualties in Harare's District Coordinating Committee (DCC), two chairmen, Godwin Gomwe, whose expulsion further underscores the growing divisions in the capital. In Mashonaland West, Gifford Gomwe was shown the door for reportedly creating a WhatsApp group deemed subversive, while Mashingo's Kudakwashe Gopo faced a similar fate for allegedly disrupting party structures and forming another rogue social media platform. The growing list of expulsions also includes Edson Ngwa from Harare, accused of illegally parceling out stands in Chitumbiza, and Victor Manungo, charged with spreading falsehoods that threaten party unity. Meanwhile, former Harare Provincial Women's League chairperson Ratidzo Mukarati, currently under suspension for alleged factionalism, was demoted to a less influential role within the party. Thomas Waruda Panapa arotogwa zvinzi aiwa vakomana vari in a panic mode. Ari kuona kuti each and every person angava achicriticize pasocial media kufoma any WhatsApp group kana kungonzi aiwa iwe unenge uri kufungidzira kuti uri kukonzesa factionalism kana kukonzesa madivision. Vakomana havasi kumisa, they're expelling, they're suspending. Tunze mafunguro enyu tichiona kuti aiwa even matop officials nemasupporters agenerali vanosupporta under 2030 vakaita sana Gomwe panapa vachisuspendewa. Tunze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu tunze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.